Hi, last week I did some Maya scripts for the render setup, and I'd like to show one of them because I think they are rather powerful, and yeah, isn't much information about them. First we need to fire up the script. You can download it on my GitHub here. It does create some utility nodes. They are needed to get this template working. There's also a version for Vray and one for Arnold. And now we just need to load the template here, and we are ready to go. To get the template in here, you just need to load them here in the prefs and link to the right location. You have 3 layers here, and just if you put one object into this collection here, you can see it should be working. Okay, Arnold, yeah, you can see it. But the power of the render setup lies in the collections. If I type in here sphere, it should load up all spheres. Or if I type in here big, refresh, it will upload all big objects. Those collections here, they are working like in Photoshop. Always the most below one is the strongest. So if I put something into the, I will grab one of those, this one here, cone, into the blue layer, you can see it will override the red one because it's the most below. Yeah, this is it. Enjoy it.